So now we're going to add the Hold Me Baby curly hair gel. This gel is absolutely incredible for frizz prevention, really great in humid areas, and we're going to add a layer or coating over Maureen's curl cream and really get those juicy curls. Now this is the praying hands method that we use over what we've already squished, and you're going to make sure that you are applying with praying hands and then squishing without destroying the curl pattern. So smooth that over with the praying hands and then squish.
It smells wonderful.
It's delicious grapefruit. So now we're going to use the microfiber towel, and the reason for this is we want to keep those clumps in place. The microfiber towel actually helps to smooth those cuticles down, which gives you longer lasting curls, which means day 2, day 3, maybe day 4 hair. So let's do this. We squeeze out the extra moisture and you cup the hair into the towel and squeeze, gently squeeze and let go. Can you see those beautiful results? So you cup the hair gently into the towel, squeeze and let go.